Is it a pulse or a spark in the wire? I bite my tongue by the furnace door. Your name hangs high in the smoke above me. I learn to stand where the warnings roar. To feel is a sin in this factory of fire. They stamp it deep in my wrist each day, but my hands still shake when you walk through me, like a thin, bright crack in the iron gray. I wear my fear like a greased black coat, sleeves rolled up, eyes on the floor. They told me love was a weak machine. I kept hearing it knock in the core. Every lock in me starts to loosen. Every bolt in me starts to sing. When you look at me like you know my damage, my ribs go soft and my teeth go thin. Is it a pulse or a spark? Is it a pulse or a spark? To feel is a sin in this factory of fire. I walk through heat with my face half gone. Still I held your